Hi everyone, this is Attorney David Stewart, and I have a question for any of you that are considering divorce or that are going through one at the present time. Would you like to do it without a lawyer to save some money, or possibly use a lawyer, but do most of the work yourself to keep costs down and still protect yourself in the process? If so, there is probably a good chance you've heard about Nolo's Essential Guide to Divorce. As you may have heard or may have seen, the latest edition was completed and published in June of 2016. And I've been in practice since 2000, and I've seen a lot of guidebooks come and go in the area of family law and divorce. And I will say this one, along with all of the other materials provided by Nolo, is absolutely different. This one is written by Emily Doskow, and she's one of the experts in the field of family law and divorce. And this is what Nolo does: is they go out and find experts in the field and write books to help people that are not attorneys go out and do it yourself, specific legal issues, and divorce is one of those issues. Now, with Nolo's Essential Guide to Divorce, let me just show you the web page on it here, and about the author real quick. Emily Doskow, I don't know her personally, but she's a practicing attorney, been a mediator. She's worked with families in California since 1989, and she is absolutely an expert in her field. And she's got 20 plus years of experience, it looks like, and she used all of those to write this book just for you. Now, the contents of this book, let me just show you some of this, but basically they go from start to finish. So, it starts with, if you want to get a divorce, what are your options? You got separation or divorce, annulment, and the types of divorces that are involved, and it talks about child custodies and some of that. And then the second chapter goes through the first things that you need to do if you have decided to get a divorce, and that is, where's everyone going to live, who's going to get what, breaking the news to kids, family, and everyone else. And then the third chapter, which is probably one of the most important chapters in my opinion, is when you can agree, how to go about getting an uncontested divorce. And hopefully you're in a situation where you can agree on most of the things or all of the things, and in that instance you can go do this in an uncontested manner and use this guidebook. It's got the forms and everything you need in order to go about and get that done. But in instances where you can't quite get to the point where it's uncontested, you can still work out divorce via mediation and very cost effectively work out whatever issues there are to get worked out, and go from there. And I mean, this book goes through everything, contested divorces, and then custody decisions, how those are made, custody disputes, child support, what happens when the spouse stops paying child support after the divorce and what to do there, taxes, dividing property, alimony, what happens with military and divorce. This literally goes through everything, and how to put it into writing, marital settlement agreements, and it's all the forms you need are here. This is literally start to finish is going to get you where you need to go in order to have a divorce. And I will say, to be perfectly candid, I have used this guidebook as a resource in prior editions along with the current edition to help me explain certain concepts to clients, and also to help just educate clients on the divorce process in general, so we can better work together as a team to protect their own interests. Even if they're not going at it alone, this book helps them immensely. So, if you're thinking about getting a divorce or you're in the process of getting one, I would encourage you to click the link below and go pick up a copy of this book. Right now it's $17 or $18. It's on sale, but even at $25 or whatever they charge for this, it is well worth it. And I sincerely hope you will move forward, and I wish you the best of luck.